What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, we're going to be talking about how to save money on your car insurance. It's something that might be a little bit boring, might be a little bit dull, but it's important because it can save you a lot of money if you go about it the right way. Guys, before we get into the video, make sure you go down and hit that like button. Before you look into different options for your car insurance, make sure that you're meeting all your state requirements. So make sure you look up your state requirements for your car insurance, and when you're looking through options, make sure that those options are meeting those requirements. For example, in a state like California, they require that you have at least $5,000 in your insurance plan to go towards home damage and things like that. So every state's different. They all have different requirements. Just make sure you look at your state and that state's requirements. A very important thing to understand with insurance in general, like when you're looking for car insurance, is that if your insurance doesn't cover, if you do research on this insurance and they don't cover, or they only cover something to a certain amount, the rest is your responsibility. So if they only cover home damage up to $5,000 and the damage is going to cost $15,000, that other $10,000, that's your responsibility. You're gonna have to pay that. So if you think you're especially at risk for something, make sure that the insurance has a lot of money to back you up in that spot. Collision coverage and uninsured driver coverage are usually options that you can get with your insurance and aren't actually necessary most of the time. However, we recommend that you do get this added on insurance because it can actually save you a ton of money, and the chance of it happening is somewhat likely. Of course, if there was just a one cheapest company for everybody when it comes to car insurance, probably everybody would use them, but it's not like that. You're gonna need to find what you specifically want and need covered and figure out what's the best bang for your buck. So you're gonna have to go around to all sorts of different companies, you know what I mean? Don't just see an ad for a specific car insurance and go with that, you know? Browse through them all. Also, somewhat of a little trick is that if you call the company, a lot of times you can get a cheaper price than what you can find online. Why that is, I don't know, but maybe it actually can work out. So if you call the companies, apparently you can get a cheaper price. For example, State Farm is mostly through the phone and they tend to be on the cheaper side. Lastly, you're gonna wanna see what your state allows for insurance discounts. You can actually work with your insurer to save money through doing things that can make you applicable for discounts, such as taking a safe driving course, or things like that can actually make your insurance cheaper because you're technically a safer driver. Guys, I know that was a bit of a short video, but it's really important. I mean, it's just, the main thing is, if you're gonna take anything from this video, is to browse around every single car insurance that it's around you, you know what I mean? You wanna find the best bang for your buck on what you need and want covered. Find a cheap one that covers what you want, and that's about it. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you took anything of value, make sure you guys go down, leave us a like, and subscribe for more business, entrepreneurship, and anything finance content. Anyway, we'll see you guys later on Business Buzz.